Hi guys, so today I've just received my iPhone XS battery case. I will be putting this on my iPhone 10, so let's just get straight into it and take it out of the box. Now I got the pink colour because the black and the white was going to be like 2 to 3 months to get it delivered, so I just got this one because it was available for next day. So that's just the box. Then we've got this here which just shows you how to put your phone in, and just booklets to read, but we don't need them, so we'll just pop them to the side. So you've got this soft material on the inside and this silicone feel on the back. So let's just pop my iPhone 10 in. So you just bend the back and slide it in and pop it in like that. And as you can see, the fit is very good. Doesn't add too much bulk, and I kind of like the ridge at the top because you can rest your finger on it. No, so overall at the minute I like this case, so just have to test it out just to see what the battery life's like with it. But anyway, that was just a quick look at the XS battery, smart battery case. Now you can use it with the iPhone 10 and the XS, which is great. Please like and subscribe. I really hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.